Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name's Ashley, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing my first ever cash stuffing video, and I am so excited. So let's get into it. So for 2022, I did decide that I wanted to share my financial journey on YouTube and I want to join the budgeting community. So if that is something of interest to you, then please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notifications so you can get notified for whenever I upload a video. Okay, so a couple of things before we get into it. I did want to note that I've gone ahead and I've already completed my budget, and I'm just going to be doing my budget for now in this book. Maybe one day I'll upgrade and get like a nice template or go digital, but for the time being, my budget will be done in this book. And unlike many other budgeting videos, I don't have a fancy A6 or A5 binder or fancy envelopes because I'm very new to the whole cash stuffing. And I just got regular envelopes. We're going to go ahead and start there. I did want to wait until I got like a nice setup, but I'm like, you know what, Ashley, we're going to go ahead and do this. You don't need nice envelopes to go ahead and start saving. So I'm sure in the coming weeks, you'll see that my setup and my system has leveled up. But for the time being, we're going to go ahead and use some regular OG envelopes. And as you guys can see, I've just put sticky notes on there to indicate the denomination that's going to be in the envelope, as well as what the envelope is pertaining to. So for example, this one is groceries, and then that one there says dash is my pet. And I've gone ahead and separated the envelopes in terms of my cash envelopes and then my sinking funds. Okay, so the first envelope is groceries, and I'm going to allocate $60 towards groceries. And this is going to be on a bi-weekly basis. And I know a lot of you guys might be thinking $60 for groceries is very little. That amount is actually split between my partner and I. So I'll be contributing $60 towards our groceries for the next 2 weeks. For takeout, I am going to give myself $10 for takeout. Lotto, because I do like to play the lotto, I am allocating $40 towards the lotto. And I may or may not use the full 40, but just in case, $40 is what I need for 2 weeks in order to purchase all of the kind of lottery tickets that I normally like to buy. And gas for cash envelopes is getting $40. I'm hoping that $40 will be enough. Gas prices where I live are quite high, but I am working from home. We both work from home, so we don't do a lot of driving. So I'm hoping that $40 for 2 weeks will be suffice. Next, I'm going to be stuffing my sinking funds. The first envelope is dash, that is pet care, and that's going to get $10. The next is my home insurance, and that is going to get $45. Next I have is my entertainment subscriptions. So this is essentially Amazon Prime, Netflix, Disney Plus, things of that nature, and that is going to get $30. And the good thing about my subscriptions is that they're typically due around the same time, so saving for that. The next is birthdays, and that is going to get $20. And this is for no particular person. It's just any upcoming birthday that I have, I'll be saving for. Upcoming birthday is actually going to be for my child, but his is separate and apart from that. Next, I have car maintenance, and that's going to get $20. I've actually been thinking I might switch up car maintenance, and do like a long-term car maintenance and a short-term. Long-term being for larger issues with the car, and then short-term being for like quarterly oil changes and things like that. Next I have is medical, and that is going to get $10. I ran out of 20s, so the bank didn't have much 10s, so I guess the next couple envelopes are going to get 5s. Next I have utilities. This bill is not due for a little while, so I am going to put $50 towards utilities because that bill is usually quite high, but it's not due for a while. I just paid utilities recently. So we'll put the utilities there. Have health and beauty, and that's gonna get $40. Not sure what I'll use that for yet. Probably just like my eyebrows, waxes, nails, things like that, even though I clearly haven't gotten my nails done in a while. But this is gonna get $40. So this should be $40 here. Ooh, there's 5 left. Okay, last envelope is Wesley. Wesley is my child, and that's gonna get $20. And that's gonna be for anything that Wesley might need. Yeah, separate and apart from his upcoming birthday that is in May. I'm saving for that electronically, just through online banking, because I mean that'd be way too much money to have in cash in the house. But yeah, essentially this is it. This is my very first, like I said, cash stuffing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please stick around for this journey, and like I said, I'm sure in the coming weeks my setup will definitely level up, but for now I'm just going with some regular OG envelopes, and yeah, wish me luck. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, and turn on the bell notifications so you guys can get notified for whenever I upload a video. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye for now.